Today on Mobile Detailing, we're going to knock out the most important customer I have, my wife. Her car is looking like crap. So, sorry about that. Working lots, trying to speed up. Got a date later with the wife. So, anyway, let me show you guys what I'm working on right now. Rear deck lid. You just got through watching me polish the upper quarter section of it. But here we go. Again, these things are just destroyed for some reason. But I've polished this out, and this is what it looks like now. So again, it's milky, but let me show you what it looked like before. That's all scratches. It's so scratched you can't even see it through the scratches and the milky haze. So anyway, that's what we're working on, and I will continue to do so. of the base coat, and it's thick. I love it. God, I love ceramic coating. Anyway, give you a couple little views. It's white. It's hard to see usually, but and I know a lot of people say reflections are deceiving, but just believe me when I say that that clarity you're seeing there is freaking everywhere. We got those pieces all sorted out. Look at that. Hey. The paint is looking just freaking amazing. So, promised it would look better than it did the day we rolled out of the dealership, and yeah, it does. It's awesome. Anyway, so what we're gonna do now is throw 2 coats of top coat. It's what is it, 8:39 at night, and yeah, it's gonna make for a long night. But I want to get this knocked out so I can move on to the truck, because once we get the truck done, I like to call it the Ferrari, then we can go back to our clients. I took a little time off so that way I could sort out the family vehicles first for the year, and never really get time to do them. So anyway, show you what it looks like in the end.